We like fairy tales and Superman stories. We like toys and figurines and
0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Last step.
When your brain sees something over and over and over and over again, it starts to develop a truth about it.
Understanding the part of the programming that we received. Programming is whenever you get to the repetition. Whenever you hear a rap song, there are things that are going to be said over and over again. There are going to be words that are going to be used over and over again. There are going to be particular phrases. They're going to be said over and over again. And the repetition becomes a program. Anytime you get the repetition of a thing, it becomes a program.
This is going to be difficult for me. These are my peers. I've done a movie with both of them. Set It Off with Jada and Independence Day with Will Smith, which absolutely changed my life. When I saw this video last night,
Actor.
it made me cry. I'll be very honest with you guys.
Overactor.
You are always being tested with these fake stories to see what you will believe. They want to see if your eyes are open, so they give you these obvious clues. Are the drugs working, or are you still awake?
I really felt to be a partner to Will Smith, whose career basically took a crumble that night. We were all rooting for Will Smith that night. Will Smith was defending her honor. Let's not forget that this show was executive produced by Will Packer, an African-American man. How did you feel?
I didn't love her turtleneck. Seemed overwhelming. It's like an Angora neck brace. I don't know. I'm gonna leave the
all of it was scripted. What are they talking about? It's all scripted. It's all make-believe, man.